Hey guys, it has been a minute. It has been a while. Um yeah. So where have I been? Everything's good. I'm good. Life is good. Everything's fine. I just feel like I've just been kind of living in the moment, um, which is really bad, for the vlogs. But yeah, I've just been living in the moment, but I am back now. I will post this vlog and then I will continue with my content. My clothes are looking beautiful. I've actually never recorded a video where I showed you guys how I actually style my clothes when I actually style them. But yeah, those are some juicy clothes, guys. Juicy. Okay, anyway, yeah, so I haven't been doing much, but I did go on a cruise with my mom, Tekwe, Noxie, my aunt, and Diane. We went on a cruise. It was like a quick little, oh, we're going on a cruise next week kind of thing. I don't think I have a lot of footage because, like I said, I was just living in the moment. I did not enjoy it very much. I don't think I'm a cruise person. It's not for me. But yeah, and then what else was there? I don't think I've done anything else. Just living my normal life. I have been trying to get things rolling with Blossom Naturally. There's some things that I've been trying to do, and soon I will actually be able to, reveal all of it. And then, yeah, that's there's no major updates, guys. But yeah, no news is always good news, guys. So, gosh, my clothes really are looking very beautiful. So yeah, that's all that I can say. So that's where I've been. I do think it's gonna be a long video. Well, I hope it will be. But as of today, I am starting to vlog again. I finally got myself some greens and I am trying it out. Honestly, it's not that bad with the reds in it, but the fact that I'm gonna need to do this every day, but I'm gonna do it because I've been bloating so much and I honestly don't think I'm getting in all my nutrients, because I'm not eating a lot of veggies, so I gotta do some things for the health, man. So I'm gonna see how this goes. And yeah. But anyway, here it is. I added some more water into it. I had most of it already. I mean, if I could squeeze some lemon in there, I think it would actually taste better. Maybe I should do that. I'm gonna add some lemon in it. Maybe I should just down it, but also, no, that's gonna make me nauseous. Decisions, guys. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have it just like this, and then tomorrow I'm gonna squeeze some lemon into it. It does say that if you don't like the taste, you can just add it to your smoothie. But I don't feel like having a smoothie today, so yeah. Also, I woke up so late today. I slept late, I woke up late, and so I'm, yeah. Also, my skin is so dry. It's feeling really dry. I have a visual tomorrow, and I'm actually not looking forward to it. Like, I'm just not looking forward to anything this week. It's one of those, like, days where I just don't want to do anything. I don't want to do anything. But anyway, I need to respond to some messages. I just remembered. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish these greens, and then we'll see how it goes with the bloating.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you.
You guys, I really wanted the storm to like only come when I got home. Look at me. It is flipping storming out here.
To paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday. I know you guys haven't seen me in a while. So I came to do my nails. I did like this little like marbly look. And I just did French again on my toes. I'm about to leave. I have not been feeling well. Yeah, I have not been feeling well. So I haven't been doing much. That's also kind of like why I haven't had any other videos out. It's also like last week was busy, so that's why I didn't have any videos out other than my vlog. And then this week I haven't been feeling well, so yeah. And I'm just about to go home now. Today I started on my new aligners. So these are my new aligners for the next 2 weeks. They're fine. Like no headache yet, nothing. I think I'm having a very smooth experience with this, and I'm starting to worry because I'm like, I've watched like videos of people that have Invisalign, and everyone's like, oh my goodness, the headaches, the my mouth is so sore, and I'm just like, why is this not happening to me? Like, what's going on? But anyway, yeah, I'm about to leave. I'm about to go home now, and then we'll see what the rest of the day looks like. It is pretty late already. It's like 4:04. So yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bongi. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hooray! Hooray! I must make a wish and blow out your candle.
We'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you.
Hey guys, hello. I know I have been MIA for a little bit, so yeah, it is Thursday today, and we're going to go and try some Korean barbecue for the first time. I also have a hair appointment after that. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, so I also have a hair appointment after that. Yeah, so we're gonna go try Korean barbecue for the first time, because I've been noticing that, like, I kind of want to eat more fermented foods for my gut, so it is better to try these things in an actual Korean place, you know, like kimchi. I want to try kimchi and see if I actually like it, because I do want to eat a little bit more fermented foods. So yeah, I have been, last week I vlogged a little bit, and then baby came over and we literally like hibernated, like we did not do anything, and then this entire week as well, I have really not been doing much, so yeah, other than like watching shows and staying in bed, that's literally all I've been doing. So I didn't feel the need really to vlog anything because I didn't do anything. So this week's vlog will be like a 2-in-1 again, like 2 weeks worth of videos. Yeah. Oh, the bloating stuff is amazing. It's great. I actually love it. It doesn't taste awful. It actually tastes okay. Like, I won't say it tastes good, but it tastes okay. But I add like a tiny bit of lemon in it, and it is amazing like that. Yeah, I squeeze some lemon juice in there, and I quite enjoy it actually. What else is there? Oh, I'm on my second set of Invisalign, so this is the end of the first week. Well, yesterday was the end, no, 2 days ago was the end of the first week. Oh my goodness, guys, it's not Thursday, it's Friday. It's Friday. Yeah, so Wednesday was the end of the first week on the second pair of aligners, and it's great. Nothing, no pain, no headaches, nothing. And what is there? What else is there? Yeah, so, oh, I have this like little injury. So I have these two huge pimples, excuse me, on my nose. And I don't know if you guys know, but like pimples on your nose are like so painful. So instead of using a pimple patch, I told Diane to pop it. And she's trying to pop it, and she's like, babes, it's not popping, you know. And I'm like, pop it, man, pop, you know, go on. And she's like, it's turning red. And I'm like, just pop it, you know, it's fine, I'll deal with the pigmentation later. Guys, I have a full-blown injury. Like, it's a full-blown like sore, I guess, you know. So been dealing with that. What else is there? I think that's all. So on our way to the Korean barbecue place. I don't know if I don't think Taekwon and them have had, I think she's had Korean food, but I don't know if she's actually been to like a Korean barbecue place. And I don't know about Kevin. I don't think he's had it as well. So I think we're trying it out together, all of us, for the first time. I don't eat a lot of Asian food actually, so it's something really new for me. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. And I'll let you guys know if it was great or not, or if it was just okay or whatever. I'll let you guys know. And then after that, I'm just gonna go into my hair. It's the first time that I'm seeing Riley since this year started, so that's exciting. Yeah, so I will see you guys just now.
Ooh, to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise.
Hey everyone. Okay, so I know that I have been missing in action, and I'm truly sorry. And I don't even think I have an actual excuse. But yeah, I've just been living in nothingness, like doing nothing, just, you know. So weekend before last, Diane came over. We just hung out the whole weekend, because I almost feel like that's the last footage I have. I think I have like a little bit of footage from like last week, but I was sick at some point. Like I didn't feel well, and everyone in my house was sick. So I did nothing. I was in bed most days. And then I do think I did a little bit of something, but if I did, I vlogged it. If I didn't, so then you've probably seen it already. And then this weekend, I just went to Diane. Yeah, I went to Diane. And then we did nothing. And then I came home on Monday night. I came home. And then yesterday, did nothing. Because yesterday, what happened yesterday? Oh, yesterday I started my period, so it was just not the best day ever. And then today, just went for lunch with my mom and them. It is Valentine's Day. Diane and I are doing something this weekend. We unfortunately couldn't be together today. But yeah, so I said to her, I'm gonna do a little something for her this weekend. So we actually went for lunch, and then we went to go and buy like the supplies for our date this weekend. And now we're home, and I don't think we're gonna do anything else. But yeah, today is Wednesday, so I just put on my new pair of aligners. This is my third pair of aligners, and in 2 weeks time I actually have to go in to see my orthodontist, and I think they said this is going to be a really long appointment, because I think they're going to start like shaving down my teeth a little bit and doing stuff like that. But yeah, this is my third pair of aligners. And I will be honest, my last pair of aligners, I think I spent like one day. Hold on, is that a rabbit? We found a rabbit the other day in our yard, so... Oh no, it's just a hadida. But he's like in the plants, so like I could only see like a little bit of him. It's a hadida, guys. It's not a rabbit. But anyway, so what was I saying? My last pair, there was like a day that I did not wear it at all, like at all. So I did think maybe I would have to wear it a day extra, but I was like, let me just put in these aligners and then I'll see, and they're fine. So we'll see if I get like feel any pain from these aligners. So far my Invisalign journey has not been bad at all. I will say that I do get days where I just don't like the feeling of it in my mouth. Like I just don't like it, you know. But most of the time it's fine. Like it hasn't been anything hectic yet. I do think they started me off easy. Cause I know with Tech, when like she had elastics and everything, you know, like you would have with braces. So I don't know, but I feel like that's what they're gonna do now for me. So yeah, so I don't know. I think they did start me off a little bit easy. I'm not even gonna lie, because yeah, I don't think I have anything else to update you guys on. Oh, this is how my little guy is healing. It's looking good. I think it's looking much better than it was looking. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to update you guys on.
Paradise, I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, I'm taking you. Paradise.
Face. Serving. I'm not serving face. Willow serve face. No, Willow is allemaal jou mooi make-up. Ek serve grey. Kyk, so gorgeous. Lila the grey have you ook my grey inderdaad. Ooh, you grey. Take one's grey. Yeah, grays actually. Nice! Twins! Dan kyk Willow het tattoos soos ek. Nice, just like me.
I got it tumbling tired.
Okay, kom.
Okay. Ek wil klaar.
Okay, so we're gonna do like a sip and paint, but Diane's not feeling well, so we're not gonna actually have wine or any alcohol. We're just gonna do whatever we want to drink. So I thought about sitting up here. I don't really, because we need the table, but I don't really want to mess up my mom's furniture, y'all. So I think I'm just gonna like throw down this little like comforter. Because she doesn't mind this one getting messed up. Well, I don't think she does. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So this is what I got for us to paint. So I'm just going to quickly set this up. I decided that I'm going to look for some newspaper just to put down on my mom's table, you guys, because we're not in the business of messing up people's furniture, you know? Okay, that's how it's looking now. I'm gonna go and get flowers and the candles. So this is what I have done so far, guys. Bear in mind, I am not the most creative person. I'm not very good at executing things. Pretty good at thinking up ideas, but not really good at. I just want to dim. So those are the candles, and then I'm gonna like leave the lighting like this, I think. Yeah, so now we're gonna go work. I've already seasoned my chicken. I'm just gonna make us some chicken burgers. And then I'm gonna do like a little platter, like a charcuterie kind of thing. But that's it for now. So I have the little charcuterie board going. It's just for baby and I, so I didn't put a lot of things. Because we also don't eat a lot, you know, so yeah. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday today. I don't know what the date is, but it is Tuesday today, and I went and did my lashes and my brows earlier this morning. Earlier this morning, and now I am on my way for a dermaplaning facial because I need to get rid of all the hair on my face. And then after that I have a nail appointment, so it's basically maintenance day today. Yeah, it's maintenance day today. So actually, like last week my mom was like, oh, don't you guys want to go on a cruise with me on the 26th? So I was like, okay, we'll go with you. So now we have to do all the maintenance stuff now. So yeah, so today is full on maintenance. I'm not gonna do my feet only because I feel like my toes still look so nice, and I just, because I was supposed to go in next week to just soak off my gelish and then cut my nails, and I was gonna take a break, but because we're going away, my nails aren't gonna look very nice, so I'm just gonna go do that. Yeah, and then when we come back I'll still go and do my toes, because I never really take a break on my toes because those nails are very strong. The roads are so busy during the day. I don't know like what it is, but it is so busy. So yesterday, Diane and I finally went to go and pick up our passports. Our passports were done like within like three working days. because we went on a Friday, and the next week, Wednesday, they had messaged to say that we can come and get our passports. But I had to wait for my ID because I did that smart card ID, so I had to wait for that. And then also, like, our trip is only in August, so we didn't really like desperately need the passports until my mom last week said, passports go with me. So yeah. What else is there? So yeah, I have been very MIA. Like, I'm not even, like, I'm done making excuses. I just have been living, guys. Like, honestly, I think I've just been in a little bubble with my girlfriend. And when I'm not with her, I've literally just been working behind the scenes, like doing my stuff that for my business. So I really think, like, I've just been, and I think I've been procrastinating. Like, let me not beat around the bush. Like, I've been lazy, I've been procrastinating. But also, I'm a firm believer in doing what you need to do for yourself and what makes you feel good. And at the time, I just really, I wanted to just relax and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go dermaplane, and then I have my nails after that. Although I feel like I'm gonna be done with my dermaplaning pretty quickly. So I don't know if I'm gonna like go back home or if I'm just gonna go to the nail salon and just like chill there, because I might as well just do that. And then yesterday I also went to the lady to the dressmaker to so that she can shorten my dresses for me, a few dresses of mine. I didn't even take everything that needs to be shortened, but only the stuff that I'm going to wear on this trip. So I went tonight to that, and then what else? I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. So I'll keep you guys updated with anything else, if anything else is happening. And then when I go home, I need to go and edit, because there's a video that I need to post tomorrow. Yeah. And that is it.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. Just being honest, what's the big difference, yeah? And I've been feeling my own inertia. Just being honest, there's no difference, yeah. And more is okay, I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher.
So guys, I went to do my nails today. So my nails were actually looking really healthy. They were very long, but it was time to cut them and actually take my break. I do take a break every now and then, and I aim to take my break for about 3 months, but sometimes I do my nails before that, before the 3 months are over. Sometimes if I have to go somewhere and I need to look pretty, I do my nails. But yeah, so it's break time. I'll show you what my nails looked like. Yeah, and then I did my toes. I never take a break on my feet. But yeah, so that is today. That's what I did today. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it.